Khot Tura Parliamentary Constituency Saleng A Sangma ula pyniaid ya Jingialang jong District Development Coordination and Monitoring Committee Disha mentaka sngi DRDA Conference Hall DC Office Tura ban bishar bniah ya jinglong jingman kaiphod bat jingpyntreikam ya skhim bapher bala kyrshan daga sorkar pdeng hapoh Ministry of Rural Development. Jingkren sdang jong Saleng Sangma ula pynpaw ba jingbuddien ya kini skhim donkam ban pynthikna ya jingpyntreikam biang bat bapher na benta jingman jong pyniaid. Kitna badai pet kila a ya kaiphod jo jinglong jingman bat pynpaw ru ya jingpyntreikam jo skhim bapher bala pynpaw de kitna jong ki district. Hakani jingïalang la ya pet bniah biang ya skhim bala kyrshan da sorkar pdeng kum MGNREGA PMAY National Social Assistance Scheme, NRLM hapoh District Rural Development Agency, MPLADS naka Development Branch, Swachh Bharat Mission, DDU GKY, Implementation of Food Security Act by Supply Department, PMEGP naka DCIC bat kiwe de. Deputy Commissioner West Garo Hills Jagdish Chelani SDO Civil, Dadingre Civil Subdivision, Sumit Singh District Planning Officer, Nippon Hajong Additional Deputy Commissioner, Dadingre MLA Rupa Marak Rajabala Dr. Mizanur Rashman Kazi, MLA Barin Uferlin A Sangma, Greater Sun Areng Batki Officer Jaga West Garo Hills District Kilaya dan Lang Hakane ka Jingialang.
Dal cengni MLA sakni baksa aru plus desa committee memberang baksa aru DC West Garo Hills ni aru tentang department of